For quinoa mushroom biryani, take a pan and into it add in about a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of ghee into it. Once it becomes hot, add in whole spices into it. Saute the spices for about a minute. Add in few bay leaves and some sliced onions. Saute the onions until it changes its color into brown. Now add in a tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste and cook this until it leaves raw smell out of it. Add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and one medium-sized tomato sliced. Give it a stir and cook the tomatoes until it becomes soft and mushy. Now give it a stir. Add in 1½ teaspoons of coriander powder, a little bit of garam masala powder and a tablespoon of biryani masala powder, little bit of red chilli powder and salt to taste. Give all the dry spices a very good stir. Add 2 green chilies. Also add about 2 tablespoons of thick yogurt and some chopped coriander leaves. Give this a very good stir. Put the flame on medium and cook this mixture by closing the lid on it. After about 2 minutes, give it a stir again. Add in our mushrooms into it. I have taken button mushrooms here. Mix this well. By that the masala should coat mushrooms nicely. Close the lid. Cook the mushrooms until it leaves water out of it. Give it a stir. Add in lime juice, about half lime. Give it a stir. And here we add in our pre-soaked quinoa. I have soaked it for about half an hour and I have taken 1 cup of quinoa. Mix this well. Add about 2 cups of water into it and check for the salt here. Close the lid and on a medium heat cook this for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, our quinoa mushroom biryani is ready to serve. You can see all the water is evaporated nicely. Add in some freshly chopped coriander leaves and serve it hot. So friends, hope you like this recipe and give it a try and let me know the feedback in below comment section. Thank you so much for watching.